Welcome to our guide to using the Canvas Gradebook. The Gradebook in Canvas allows teachers to easily view and enter grades for students. It includes graded assignments, discussions, and surveys. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Gradebook effectively to manage student assessments and feedback. To access the Gradebook, click the Grades link in the course navigation. It's important to note that the Gradebook tab should not be enabled for students. They should view their grades in focus. The Canvas Gradebook is organized into three main sections: student data, assignment data, and gradebook options. We'll explore each of these sections to see how it can be customized. The Gradebook menu allows you to switch between different views. You can switch between the traditional Gradebook view, a Learning Mastery Gradebook that allows you to utilize standards-based grading if configured with outcomes, an individual student view, and a Gradebook history view that can act as an audit trail if necessary. Gradebook filters allow you to manage what assignments and grades are displayed. You can save these filter views if, for example, you wanted to only view third period's test grades in the first quarter of the year. You could save that filter. As you use your Canvas course, the number of assignments will likely necessitate the use of filters to make navigation easier. The Gradebook Settings button allows you to manage the late policy when you want feedback to become available to students and manage the view options of your gradebook. When adjusting the late policy, keep in mind that it will retroactively change graded assignments. This means that if an assignment was submitted late prior to you changing this option, the student's recorded grade will also change. If you previously applied a point deduction for late work manually and turn on the late policy, you will penalize the student's grade again. The grade posting policy allows you to determine when you want graded assignments in Canvas to become visible. By default, students will have access to the feedback you provide them immediately. If you wish to delay providing feedback until all assignments have been graded or until a particular date, you may turn on manually posting grades. Please note that this only applies to students viewing grades in Canvas. This does not apply to posting grades to Focus. This is a separate process. The View menu allows you to apply filters to the gradebook, change how assignments are sorted, and hide unpublished assignments. Some teachers choose to sort assignments in reverse order or hide the group totals to keep navigation of the gradebook cleaner. Clicking the three dots next to an assignment name in the gradebook allows you to sort the grades in a variety of ways: open SpeedGrader, set a default grade, and other options. Please note that Curve Grades option allows you to apply a bell curve to grades. There is no way to, for example, give all students 5 additional points on an assignment beyond adding 5 points to each student's grade manually. We'll discuss using the Message Students Who option later in this module. You can enter grades directly into the gradebook by clicking on a cell and typing the score. You can click the Grade Detail button to provide comments and mark an assignment as late or missing. You can directly access the student's submissions for an online assignment via the SpeedGrader link in the Grade Detail tray. Please note, marking an assignment as missing, late, or excused only applies to the gradebook in Canvas. This will not apply to grades transferred to Focus. You will still need to mark those notations by hand. When using the gradebook, adjust feedback based on students' learning needs. Using the Message Students Who feature, you can provide extension opportunities or support for students. Reflect on how the Gradebook's features can help you support diverse learners effectively. While the Canvas Gradebook can be an excellent tool to track student progress, remember that Focus remains the official gradebook. By mastering the Canvas Gradebook, you can efficiently manage student assessments and provide meaningful feedback. The Gradebook's features support diverse learners and streamline your grading workflow. Stay tuned for our next guide to automatically synchronizing grades between Canvas and Focus.